Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and unplugging the PC. Once done, ground yourself to avoid static damage. Open the case and locate the correct slot M. 2 sockets sit on the motherboard too. 5 bays are in drive cages and SATA ports line the board. Make sure you have the matching screw or standoff, a SATA cable for 2. 5, and an available SATA power connector from the PSU. Why? Matching ensures correct signal and power, so the drive will be recognized when installed. You now perform the actual installation. For M2, align the notch, push the module into the socket at 20-30 degrees angle, and press it down to fasten with the M2 screw. For 2, 5 SATA drives, slide the drive into the tray, secure it with screws, then connect the SATA data cable to the motherboard and the power cable from the PSU. Once connected, boot into BIOS to confirm the drive appears and set the correct mode, OSI for SATA, PCIe for NVMe. Then save. You finish by booting into your operating system and initializing the new disk. Open Disk Manager, create a GPT or MBR partition table as needed, then format and assign a drive letter. If the drive does not appear, power down, reseat the data and power cables, or try a different port. For M2, move to the secondary slot and make sure BIOS is updated. Older firmware can block detection. One key troubleshooting tip. Check for disabled SATA ports or conflicting PCIe lanes, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.